Thank you for tuning in to another episode. Today we're talking about the Carnival Hub app. I'm going to go over a few of the features and how you should start. Now, as soon as you are fully paid and 90 days out from your cruise, you're able to log in and do your online check-in. I recommend downloading the Carnival Hub app to get started. After you've downloaded the app, it'll ask you to fill in your cruise information along with your booking number, so make sure you have that available. And it will automatically start a countdown clock, which will get you all nice and excited up to the big day. A lot of people wonder when exactly they should start their online check-in and when they should download the app. I recommend doing it as soon as you can. It's easy to forget these things, and there's some really big benefits to doing this in advance. So the earliest you can do this is when you are fully paid on your cruise and 90 days before your cruise date, right? So once you have that done, I recommend if you have children and you want to enroll them in some of the Camp Ocean or the other clubs that they have for children and teenagers on board, to do that sooner than later, because sometimes if there's a lot of children sailing as well, those spaces can fill up. So you want to get that done in advance. Not only that, but your shore excursions, your spa treatments, even specialty dining, you get better rates and sometimes discounts on those if you do those well in advance. So just a little helpful tidbit there. While we're on the subject, I strongly recommend, out of all of these, purchasing your Wi-Fi package way in advance. That's probably the biggest savings you'll receive, is if you purchase those in advance, especially if you're going to get it for the whole duration of your cruise. You'll save a lot of money by doing it ahead of time on the app. The app will redirect you to Carnival's main site, where you'll complete the online check-in and make any other selections that you need as well. One big advantage to doing this in advance is being able to pick your arrival time to board the ship. If you wait too long, there may be only one arrival time left, so it just makes it a little more convenient and easier if you do this in advance. Part of the online check-in is choosing your bedroom configuration. Depending on what's most comfortable for you, you can have 2 twin beds depending on how your room is set up, or 1 king, whatever's most comfortable for you and your roommate. Now, in addition to that, you'll be setting up a spending account. If you want, you can attach your credit card, and this just makes things much more convenient and faster when you actually arrive there at the port that day. The Carnival Hub app truly comes alive once you're on board the ship. Here you'll have the show times posted for all the night's entertainment and activities throughout the day, so you're gonna need it. In addition to that, you'll also have access to the menus for different restaurants, including specialty dining and your regular dining rooms as well. So definitely stay posted with that to see everything going on as far as food and activities go. In addition, Carnival's added a new feature where you can have pizza delivered to you anywhere on board the ship using this app. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching another one of my videos. Until next time, I'm wishing everyone happy travels, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe. I truly appreciate it.